Hi, my name's Steve. I'm a professional. I want to introduce you today to the Joint Genie. It's a doweling system that works. The only other thing you need is a standard drill. Let's go to the workbench and I'll show you how simple this thing is to work. It makes child's play of jointing. The 1 minute joint. I'm now going to show you a selection of more approximately 1 minute joints. Looks a bit like a Swiss cheese, but the uniformity speaks for itself. Beautiful corner joint. From a corner joint we can go to a carcassing joint. Perfectly lined up, perfectly square. Could be part of a shelving unit for CDs. And just to show some lunacy on how versatile this is, I can even do it at a strange angle. You could hang your shoes on there, heel up on there and turn it into a shoe rack, couldn't you? So the versatility, strength, stability is absolutely unsurpassable by any other jointing method. I'm now going to take you to the long bar of the section and show you what that can do. Thank you. stop, line up the tool with the pencil line and screw it in place. You've seen how simple it is to do the 1-minute joints. A little bit more versatility. In the kit you get a complete set of spacer tabs, 3 1mm tabs and a 4mm tab and a 2mm tab on each post if you're using the full kit, the full setup. These are spacer tabs to be able to centre it on any thickness of material. For a start off, if you use them as a single block and put them all down, the bar is 16mm thick. It will fit perfectly central, one row of dowels, dead centre on your standard 16mm melamine faced chipboard for your kitchen fitters. If you're working on other materials, using the spacer tabs, all you need to do is eyeball it into the middle of any piece of material and press the excess tabs down to the side. You can see you get a few of them left up. Providing there's a uniform there, I've centred it now on 22mm thick. I can centre it on any material all the way up to 30mm thick timber, purely by eyeballing it into the middle and press the excess tabs to the middle. From 16 all the way to 30mm thick. Heavy joinery. Once we've centralised a single row of dowels up to 30mm thick, if we take it any further than that, we can put the two halves of the tool together, long bar, short bar, double them up side by side. We can now apply this to thicknesses of material from 32mm to 46mm, simply by using all the tabs down, 2 bars, 32mm wide. I can now do double rows of doweling for heavy joinery. Here's an example. A T-joint could be used for doors, construction. There's a corner joint. Get them the right way around, they look even better. Heavy joinery, double rows of dowels. From that, I still have the adjustment with the tabs to be able to adjust it between this thickness and the next size up, which is 48mm. It'll go to 46mm with the tabs. 48mm, we can do another thing. First thing we do, drill the first pairs of dowels. Once we drill the first rows, we can then put 2 dowels in the second row that we've drilled, move the side tabs up, and we can now index sideways and drill a third row. If we index those again, we can do a fourth row. So the sky is literally the limit. There is no limit to the number of rows, dowels, length, width or thickness of any material. And I haven't used a pencil, a ruler and done any marking out. It sets itself up on every single thing I've done so far. All these items made with the Joint Genie.